Mercedes' next-gen electric van is packed with advanced tech, premium audio, cinematic comfort. This isn't your run-of-the-mill minivan, far from it. The Mercedes Vision V is shaking things up as a concept that gives us a sneak peek at what luxury vans could look like when they hit production in 2026. Mercedes-Benz is on a mission to make you forget everything you thought you knew about family haulers. If you picture vans as boxy, practical, and a little bit boring, the Vision V is here to flip that script with its bold looks, jaw-dropping tech, and the kind of comfort that makes road trips feel like first-class flights. A striking exterior, chrome, lights, iconic design. From the moment you see the Vision V, it's clear Mercedes wants to turn heads. The exterior features sculpted lines and chrome accents, giving it a modern yet unmistakably Mercedes look. At the front, you'll spot an ornate LED light bar connecting the headlights, just beneath a glowing three-pointed star hood ornament. The grille has been completely reimagined, combining chrome and illuminated elements for a futuristic touch. Massive 24-inch wheels with illuminated details and a wraparound rear taillight ensure this van stands out on any road. Step inside the Vision V, lounge-inspired luxury. Climb inside, and you're met with an interior that feels more like a private jet than a van. Mercedes uses rich wood trim, white Napa leather, white silk, and polished aluminum to create an atmosphere that's both tranquil and glamorous. The seats are designed for ultimate comfort, featuring flexible tubular cushions that can recline completely flat, transforming into beds for long journeys or restful stops. Entering the Vision V feels special, thanks to a large automatically opening portal door and an illuminated retractable running board. For privacy, a smart glass partition between the driver and rear passengers can shift from transparent to opaque with just a touch. Immersive technology, a digital experience like no other. Mercedes has packed the Vision V with technology that turns every ride into an event. The centerpiece is a massive 65-inch retractable 4K cinema screen that rises from the floor, instantly transforming the rear cabin into a private theater. The 42-speaker Dolby Atmos surround sound system, including 4 glass-encased speakers, delivers an audio experience that rivals top home cinemas. 7 hidden projectors in the roof and floor, along with windows that double as projection surfaces, allow for a 360-degree viewing experience. Ambient lighting can sync with your music, and a fragrance diffuser adds another layer of sensory delight. 7 digital environments. Personalize every journey. Mercedes has created 7 unique digital environments for passengers to enjoy. In entertainment mode, you can relax and watch movies or listen to music. Relax mode reclines your seat and fills the screen with soothing landscapes and sounds. If you're in the mood for gaming, there's a controller tucked away, and you can even simulate driving while being chauffeured. Work mode lets you take video calls and access productivity tools, while shopping mode brings a virtual storefront right to your seat. Discovery mode uses augmented reality to let you explore your surroundings in 3D, and karaoke mode is perfect for those moments when you want to sing along with friends. Built on the VAN.EA platform, the future of electric luxury vans. The Vision V is built on Mercedes' new VAN.EA electric platform, which will support a lineup of high-end electric vans starting in 2026. This new architecture means a spacious, flat-floor design and the flexibility to include all the advanced features that make the Vision 5 unique. Mercedes plans to launch production models with names like VLS and VLE, targeting the premium end of the market. competing in a new segment, luxury vans for private owners. With the Vision V, Mercedes is targeting a growing trend of luxury vans for private ownership. While this segment has been popular in Asia, it's now making its way to the US. The Vision V is set to compete with high-end minivans like the Lexus LM and Volvo EM90, but it goes even further with its focus on digital experiences and personalized luxury. Cost and pricing expectations for the Mercedes Vision V. While Mercedes-Benz has not officially announced the price for the production version of the Vision VE, early reports and industry speculation suggest that this luxury van could cost around $200,000, especially for models equipped with all the high-end features seen in the concept. For context, the current V-Class starts at about $60,000 in Germany and can exceed $100,000 with options, so it's reasonable to expect the Vision VE to command a significant premium, positioning it well above existing luxury van offerings. As with most high-end vehicles, the final price will likely depend on customization and selected features, but the Vision V is clearly aimed at buyers seeking exclusivity and the ultimate in automotive luxury. Car lovers' key takeaways. The Mercedes Vision V is a clear signal that the luxury van market is about to get a serious upgrade. With its bold design, high-tech features, and focus on comfort, this van is set to offer a travel experience that feels truly special, whether you're heading to a meeting or taking the family on a weekend getaway. While we don't know the exact price yet, it's safe to say the Vision V will be a premium choice for those who want something different from the usual luxury SUV. If you're looking for space, style, and a bit of wow factor in your next ride, the Vision V is definitely one to watch. If money were no object, would you choose to ride in ultimate comfort and style, even if it meant swapping your dream car for a luxury van like the Vision V? Or does practicality still win out, no matter how tempting the tech and features? Let us know by writing to us in the comments section.